Hello guys, this is ThaxT2K and I finally got my hands on one of these fidget spinners, or this is what's called a three-way official three-way distracto spinners. It says distracto, it's a new word, way. Yeah. No, I'm definitely late to the ball for this one, but there was no way I'm paying about 15 quid for a bit of plastic that spins. That's highly addictive, and you just can't stop spinning it. Due to the fact of once you start, you don't even acknowledge you're doing it. But anyways. I got this, it should have been, a tenner, down to 8 quid, down to 2 quid, due to in Sports World, they actually had, these flavours in, the football ones, Arsenal, Chelsea, Man City, Man United, Tottenham, but they all have the badge on here, but, the ones that they had in the factory outlet, didn't, so they're banging them for 2 quid. And I could have bought some cheap nasty ones for these for about the same price, but like I says, they're just cheap nasties. At least these have got the affiliation on the back saying they've got the rights to it, shiny sticker, official Arsenal product, blah blah blah. But the reason why I chose Arsenal, it's going to be off to a great start, then it's just going to cop out later. Haha. Football League joke. But yeah, ones I just, the red teams, was red, the blue teams were blue. I think Spurs was white, so how'd you expect? At first off, it was, literally hard to even move, but I was just down to, that just being exactly, on there, so there's no spinning motion. So, first time I've actually popped that off, actually, so I can pop back on. I bet I can't. What you learnt? Here we go. Good as new. Nearly. Just need to fraction it. Here we go. Yeah. As you just seen it, that's the whole thing to make it spin. I said for 2 quid, absolute bargain. Couldn't believe, this was going for a tenner. And obviously there are a lot of cheap nasties out on the, on the market these days. And I actually had this spinning for a lot longer than that. Here we go. So I'm not surprised how it's picked up on the camera. Where you see that black line just going brrr. Now it's going that way. That's quite good actually. If you're a fidget spinner, just take a recording of it. Looks amusing. But overall, I didn't know what the big fuss was about him. But once I've started playing with it, I was literally just spinning it without even taking notice. And obviously, started just transfer it from one end to another. Go like that. There's some weight on it when you go like that. It's like you literally have to So if we can get it one fingered. Here we go. Oh, hey. Now we're working. Yeah. I know it's my middle finger, but it's not the opposite way around, so don't mean nothing. Well, wait there. The silhouette does. No, look. Silhouette looks like it's a wind turbine on a hill. Hey. Brilliant. But yeah. Overall, if you can get them, at end of craze price, get them. Because, like, from the looks of things, the faddy is about near enough all over. And if you, desperately see, after one, that's a great time to get it. Due to, like it says, the fade is, dashing off. Retailers aren't asking stupid prices for him. So, this has been Taxi 2K, and I've been spinning this time round. See you later. Bye-bye.